welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mpo. If you are new, welcome to my world. So today I decided to unbox this gorgeous hot grill pan. It is so nice. You can actually use it on both sides for frying and for grilling. It's lightweight and it is non-stick. I decided to put this baby to the test. I switched on my stove. I am going to use this top side because I decided to test it with my crumpets dough. So as soon as it became hot, I put my dough on. I decided to only do one. Okay, I set my stove on medium for 4 minutes. This is how it looked after 4 minutes, and I decided to flip it over, and boy was I impressed. Looked so good. What's nice about this is that you can actually use it on an open fire, like your braai, if you want to do the burgers or the eggs outside, like on your braai stand. So the following day, I decided to go full on breakfast. I put a little bit of oil because I was going to use bacon and I did not want my bacon to burn. So I was surprised again because I put so much bacon on it, and I was doing breakfast for like 4 people, for me, my husband, and my 2 kids. And it cut my breakfast preparation in like half because I do everything all at once. So as soon as I turned my bacon, it looked so good. I was satisfied. I put some sausages on and I put eggs. So when coming to eggs, I realized that you can actually put about 8 to 10 eggs, fry them all at once instead of frying one by one. That's why I say this thing is a lifesaver and it's a time saver. So I was happy with it, and as you can see, I turned my sausages. They did not burn. They were done so nicely. And the eggs, I decided to flip them over. They did not stick. So yeah, that's about it. I decided to wash it. I used hot water and dishwashing liquid, and you don't need to use like harsh products to wash it. You just use your dish cloth, and after that you rinse the soap off, and that's it. You are done. You are literally done. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and guys, please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to put on some comments. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao.